Hey guys, this is Type Parsley 3 with
and the BURPING King.
BURPING King.
Look out for BURPING King. It's funny, guys. You can write in the comments who's better. And
his name is Zachary351. I'm Type Parsley 3.
And if you subscribe, we will make another BURPING King.
Yeah.
And if you also subscribe, I'll come to your house and burp for you. Okay.
JK.
Okay, so we gotta get ready to burp.
Yeah. How you like that? Okay, yeah. Once more. Try to
Let me try again. That was not good.
Okay, yeah. You show the last one.
You burp first.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Burp.
Okay, so
remember, we'll make another video if you send a comment, and I'll burp for you some more next video, which will probably be in a few seconds. So yeah. And one more thing, I'm feeling really sick from burping, and I'm going, oh.